Did you know that your gums play a vital role in your overall health? Healthy gums are the foundation for strong teeth and a bright smile. But what happens when your gums start receding? This can be a sign of trouble. Receding gums are a common dental problem. They can lead to tooth sensitivity, pain, and even tooth loss. The good news is that there are natural ways to address this issue at home. Receding gums happen when the gum tissue surrounding your teeth wears away or pulls back. This exposes more of your tooth, making it vulnerable to damage and decay. Many people experience receding gums without even realizing it. It's important to pay attention to your gum health. Look out for signs like receding gums, inflammation, or bleeding. Natural remedies can be a gentle and effective way to support your gum health. There are several factors that can contribute to receding gums. One of the most common culprits is gum disease, an infection that damages the gums and supporting bone. Other factors include brushing your teeth too aggressively, genetics, hormonal changes, and certain medications. By understanding the causes, you can take steps to prevent and address receding gums. Nature provides us with an abundance of remedies for various ailments, and receding gums are no exception. These remedies are often gentle, affordable, and easily incorporated into your daily routine. From oil pulling to herbal remedies, there are plenty of natural options to explore. Let's delve into some of the most effective home remedies for receding gums. Section 5. Oil pulling, an ancient remedy for modern times. So oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing oil around in your mouth for a set period. This practice dates back over 3,000 years and is rooted in the traditional Indian system of medicine known as Ayurveda. The term oil pulling comes from the idea that the oil pulls out toxins and bacteria from the mouth, which can have a range of health benefits. This technique helps remove bacteria and toxins from the mouth, promoting gum health. By reducing the number of harmful bacteria, oil pulling can help prevent cavities, reduce bad breath, and even improve overall oral hygiene. The process is simple yet effective, making it a popular choice for those looking to enhance their dental care routine naturally. Coconut oil is a popular choice for oil pulling due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. The medium-chain fatty acids in coconut oil, particularly lauric acid, are known for their ability to kill harmful bacteria and reduce inflammation. This makes coconut oil not only effective for oral health but also beneficial for overall well-being. Simply put a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it gently for 15 to 20 minutes, then spit it out and rinse your mouth thoroughly. It's important to note that the oil should be swished gently to avoid jaw fatigue. After spitting out the oil, rinse your mouth with warm water and brush your teeth as usual. Many people find that incorporating oil pulling into their daily routine leads to fresher breath, whiter teeth, and healthier gums. Whether you're looking to improve your oral hygiene or explore natural health practices, oil pulling is a simple and effective remedy worth trying. Section 6. Green tea. Sip your way to healthier gums. Green tea is renowned for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ally in the fight against receding gums. The antioxidants in green tea, particularly catechins, are known to reduce inflammation and help the body fight bacterial infections. This is crucial because gum disease is often caused by bacteria that lead to inflammation and tissue damage. By drinking green tea regularly, you can help your body combat these harmful bacteria and reduce the risk of gum disease. It contains catechins, which help combat gum disease and reduce inflammation. Catechins are a type of natural phenol and antioxidant that are also found in other foods like berries and dark chocolate. These powerful compounds not only help in reducing inflammation, but also in preventing the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth. This dual action makes green tea an excellent choice for maintaining oral health. Enjoy a cup of warm green tea after meals. Drinking green tea after meals can help wash away food particles and reduce the acidity in your mouth, which can contribute to tooth decay and gum disease. Adding a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey can enhance the flavor and provide additional health benefits. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for gum health, while honey has natural antibacterial properties. Or use a cooled green tea bag as a compress on your gums for a soothing effect. This can be particularly beneficial if you are experiencing gum pain or swelling. The cool temperature of the tea bag can help reduce inflammation, while the catechins in the tea provide additional antibacterial benefits. Simply steep a green tea bag in hot water, let it cool, and then apply it to the affected area for a few minutes. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can contribute to healthier gums. Whether you enjoy it in the morning to start your day or as a relaxing beverage in the evening, making green tea a regular part of your diet can have lasting benefits for your oral health. In addition to its gum health benefits, green tea can also improve your overall well-being by boosting your immune system, aiding in digestion, and providing a calming effect. So make green tea a staple in your daily routine and sip your way to healthier gums and a healthier you. Section 7. Aloe vera, the soothing healer. Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its healing properties. Its gel contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compounds that can soothe inflamed gums and promote healing. You can apply pure aloe vera gel directly to your gums or use toothpaste and mouthwash containing aloe vera. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for sensitive mouths. Section 8. Essential oils, fragrant allies in the fight against gum recession. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts that offer a range of therapeutic benefits. These oils have been used for centuries in various cultures for their healing properties. They are extracted from different parts of plants, including leaves, flowers, and roots, and are known for their potent aromas and medicinal qualities. Some essential oils, like tea tree oil and peppermint oil, possess potent antimicrobial properties that can combat gum disease. Tea tree oil, for instance, is renowned for its ability to fight bacteria and reduce inflammation, making it a powerful ally in maintaining oral health. Peppermint oil, on the other hand, not only freshens breath but also has antiseptic properties that can help prevent the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil like coconut oil before applying them to your gums. This is crucial because essential oils are highly concentrated and can cause irritation or even burns if used undiluted. Carrier oils help to safely deliver the therapeutic benefits of essential oils to your gums and other sensitive areas in the mouth. You can add a drop of diluted tea tree oil to your toothpaste or use a mouthwash with peppermint oil. Incorporating these oils into your daily oral hygiene routine can provide an extra layer of protection against gum recession and other dental issues. Additionally, the refreshing taste of peppermint oil can make your oral care routine more enjoyable, encouraging consistent use. Massaging your gums with a diluted essential oil mixture can also stimulate blood flow and promote gum health. This simple practice can be done a few times a week to help keep your gums firm and healthy. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. Before starting any new treatment, it's always a good idea to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional. Essential oils can be a wonderful addition to your oral care routine, but it's important to use them correctly to avoid any adverse effects. With the right knowledge and application, these fragrant allies can play a significant role in the fight against gum recession. Section 9. Your journey to healthier gums starts today. Maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial for preventing and addressing receding gums. Brush your teeth gently twice a day, floss daily, and visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. Incorporate natural remedies into your routine to support your gum health. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Share your experiences and inspire others on their journey to healthier gums.